In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect table to calendar in Notion. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the page where you would like to add the calendar and link the specific table into. So let's say we're going to use the page in here named to do, and once you click to do, as you can see, this page actually has its own calendar now, which can be accessed by selecting the calendar block once you type in the slash button. So in here, you simply select the date where you would like to link the table into, let's say October 13 in here. And once you hover on that specific date cell, you can see that the plus icon on the upper left corner of that cell is activated. Once you click this will represent add an item. This will then automatically open up a page wherein you input the details and context about the page that you're going to link to that specific date. Let's say test date. Then in here on the context of the specific page that you're going to link, to add a table, you simply type slash, and you can see in here on database, you can have table view or line chart in here. We simply scroll down to see more options, and we have now table view, board view, gallery view, list view, and other types of table that you can link into your calendar. Let's say table view, and as you can see, the table has now been successfully added to your page, which is now linked to your calendar in here. And that's about it. That's how to connect table to calendar in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.